this data set that I've got for us, ca-unis.xlsx. So this is basically just all the UCs and all the CSUs in the state of California. We're going to use this to plug into Batch Geo. You guys have used Batch Geo before, I'm assuming. So we just paste it on in there, hit Map Now. And what goes on here is that its program reads address, city, state, zip code, and it does some kind of computer magic, and then it spits out a latitude and longitude. And this is exactly what Google needs to drop a marker. And let's see, it's about 21 out of 23. Okay, this is going faster than I expected it to. But you guys have made maps on Batch Geo before. You've run them through CSS or KML to CSS converter. And so we're going to do something very similar to that right now. I'd like you to take note right now to how this map looks and remember this for when we create our map using TileMill. So we'll save it so that we can get access to that sweet, sweet data. Go all the way down to the bottom, download Google Earth KML. So, something that you'll notice about this when I mouse over it, or when I click on one of these, you'll see that it gives us the title, and it also gives us the address, and you click on it, it'll give you, I used the wrong URL, oops. Anyway, so that's basically what Batch Geo will give you. It'll give you the title, and then it'll give you the actual street address. But one of the advantages of doing this, as you're going to see later, is that we can add as much data as we want and then call up exactly what data we want. And so we've got this, but TileMill needs to have the latitude and longitude information. And so to get that into here, we've got this KML file, but we can't really read KML very much, so we'll go to the KML to CSS via converter. And if I remember how this works, do that, you just put I'll call it something different. Refresh it. Okay, there we go. So I will tell it to create. There we got our sweet latitude and longitude. We just need to get that into CSV form so that we can put it into our other one. Alright, so it's created the file. There we are, caunis.csv. I'm going to open this with Excel because Excel is a good way of... actually, what I'm going to do is make a duplicate of this with lat long. Oops. Where'd it go? Alright, yeah, here. So I need to make room for the latitude and longitude, so let's put it like right here. Let's make some new, that wasn't the best place to put that. Let's insert 2 new columns to house latitude and longitude. And which one is first? Okay, longitude goes first. Let's open up caunis.csv using Excel. There we go, we got our longitude on the left, latitude on the right. We'll just copy and paste them in. There we go. Sorry, I'm a bit of a neat freak when it comes to this kind of thing. So, now we've got all that data from before, plus the latitude and longitude, and this is exactly what TileMill needs. So I'll save it as a .csv. Continue. All right. So there we go. We have our CA unis with lat-lung, and I'll see you in the next video.